According to a new report, 16 countries suppress religious freedom. The United States Commission on International Religious Freedom annual report identifies 16 nations which suppress religious freedom. The Commission is part of the U.S. federal government but operates independently. It serves as a watchdog group and offers advice to the president. Tenzing Norgay is head of the commission. He said that in the past year, severe violations of religious freedom have increased. He pointed to the jailing of individuals accused of blasphemy in several countries. He also noted the detention of over 1 million Uyghur Muslims in China. Dorji wrote that people working for religious freedom must work to make this right a reality for everyone, everywhere. 13 of the 16 countries named as the worst religious freedom violators are in Asia. They include China, Iran, Myanmar, North Korea, Pakistan, Russia, and Saudi Arabia. The six others are Sudan, Syria, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Vietnam. The report also accuses 3 African nations, Central African Republic, Eritrea, and Nigeria, of suppressing religious freedom. The Commission condemned China for its suppression of the Muslim religion practiced by its 15 million Uyghurs. The report said that the government continued to persecute all faiths in an effort to make them behave more Chinese. It said that China has a campaign to destroy not only the independent exercise of religion, but also the culture and language of smaller religious and ethnic minorities. The report said that Uyghur Muslims are always being watched and have their telephones taken or scanned by the government. It also said their children are not permitted to attend religious services. It added that the government has ripped entire families apart by imprisoning between 800,000 and 2 million Uyghurs in camps and sending their children to orphanages. Families cannot contact one another because of fear that the government is listening. So many Uyghur Muslims have no idea where their families are or if they are alive, the report said. The Commission said that while the United States and a few foreign governments have condemned China for these abuses, the government has not faced any consequences. After years of increasing abuse, the international community has tragically missed the chance to prevent what is now happening to Uyghurs and other Muslims in China, the report said. China has denied that it has camps and re-education centers for Uyghurs, Kazakhs, and other mostly Muslim groups. The government says the camps are vocational education centers aimed at helping people stay away from terrorism. It says their goal is to help Uyghurs reintegrate into society. The report also accused China of suppressing Buddhism in Tibet.